All right, so I did a case study on this, and I just wanted to do a follow-up, which is important because in the first case study video I did, remember I said this is your zone and the stop loss needs to be just below the low. And I did say if if the timing is correct, the market should turn around and go up. Now, why is this? Why am I doing a follow-up? Because there's also trade management side to it. Now look, a lot of people would be selling here as they have done here, right? Why? Because this is a good price zone to be selling at. It's a place where the volume is traded. So when the market touched that price level, you can see it fell down straight away. Okay. However, though, the only thing I did was to move stop forward. The reason was because we haven't gotten to the trading hour. You see, despite the fact there is a price here, if my trading hour calculations are correct, the only thing I would really need to do is to wait for the next trading hour. So what I can simply do is just take this and move it to the upside here. Okay, and then just continue to follow through. Okay, as you can see, this trade was all the way down here during the trading hours here. So the market came down, trading hours, entry, stop under the low, market takes off. So watch 24th of November's case study, the first one I did in the morning, and you can see how this is just working in that direction. If you take a look at the MetaTrader 4, which I showed you where I got the pricing from, that 4,044, that obviously comes from the daily. Okay, I had also why is it waiting for an update? That's crazy. I'd also put in, this is also waiting. Okay, so we're not going to get that. But if you watch the video, you'll see where I got 4,044 from, and that this was one price level that we could work off of. And that was the time and the price coming together and market just turning to the upside. Now, as you can see, we're at a trading hour, which is 12:15, and that 12:15 is actually a trading zone for us in terms of time, because I've got 12:25 to 12:35. Let's go into MetaTrader 5 since this one is just not giving me the data. Let's do this. Okay, so you see this is 11:30 here and 11:15 here. The platform is 1 hour behind. All right, so what I'd like to do is let the market come up. You see it's coming up into this bar, which is logical. So is there, all right, and the market selling at these hours from here is also logical. But also remember, today's a swing day, right, for gold. So, well, one of the swing days. Okay, so buying the lows in order to go up was logical, and doing that at a PST level at the right time was also very logical. So taking a profit and then letting the second trade run. As you know, I always take two positions, one to cover the trade and one to just let it run. And because it's an intraday trade, just moving the stop up is fine. Also getting out at these trading hours in this zone is also fine. All right, so it's also doable. As you can see, they sold heavy here, and this is a place where the market broke that swing level there. All right, so market coming up here is a good place for us to take a profit and call it a day. So from the morning until the lunchtime, that whole trade is over. Why? Because we've got time and we've got price. I hope that helps to clarify a few things when you're trading with time and price, and have a good day.